Could every experience you've ever had actually be lines of code running on a supercomputer somewhere else? This mind-bending idea, once confined to science fiction, is now a serious topic among physicists and philosophers alike. The fundamental challenge is proving the existence of anything outside our perceived reality, which is inherently a very tricky proposition. Philosopher Nick Bostrom laid out a powerful trilemma, suggesting one of three possibilities must be true about highly advanced civilizations. Perhaps advanced life almost always wipes itself out before developing the necessary computing power for a convincing simulation. Another path suggests that once powerful enough, these civilizations simply lose all interest in creating historical recreations of their ancestors. The final, and perhaps most unsettling, option is that simulated realities are vastly more common than the base reality we inhabit. But moving from philosophical debate to testable science requires concrete, observable evidence, not just clever logical deduction. Some physicists search for signs of rounding errors or the universe running out of processing power at the smallest scales we can measure. Things like the speed of light might represent a built-in processing speed limit imposed by the simulation's fundamental operating system. Another intriguing idea involves looking for glitches in the supposed smooth fabric of our observable reality. Such an anomaly could potentially point directly to the underlying code that constructs our entire perceived universe for us. Analyzing the distribution and energy levels of the highest energy cosmic rays might reveal an artificial boundary set by the simulation's hardware. The concept of information entropy is also being explored by researchers seeking clues to the universe's underlying informational structure. If reality turns out to be fundamentally discrete, like tiny pixels, that would be a massive indicator of a digital substrate beneath everything. However, the biggest obstacle remains the fact that any test we devise is, by definition, operating entirely inside the potential simulation itself. A simulation designed by an advanced intelligence would, after all, be programmed to perfectly mask its own presence from its inhabitants. At this current moment in time, the evidence remains entirely circumstantial and heavily debated across scientific disciplines. So, is it testable today? The answer is complicated because the practical methods for testing are still largely theoretical themselves. We continue to push the boundaries of physics and computation, hoping one day to uncover the ultimate source code of our entire existence.